How to find Chase Bank Swift code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Chase Bank Swift code. If you want to find the Swift code for Chase Bank, you will need to follow the steps. Or you may also find the Chase Bank Swift code on your bank statements or account documents. If you didn't find it there, then you can follow the steps to find that. Open your web browser on your device first and here type in chase.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button of your keyboard to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Chase Bank. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to log into your account in order to view the Swift code. For that, at the right side, you will find the login interface. Here you will need to enter the username and your password. Make sure to enter the correct details here. After entering the password, click on the sign in button right here in order to sign in to your account. And once you sign in to your account, you will access your account. On the page, you will find the search icon at the top. You will need to click on the search icon on the top. Once you click on the search icon, there you will need to select My Swift Code, and once clicking on it, you will be able to see your Swift code of your Chase Bank. So by following the steps, you should be able to find your Chase Bank Swift code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.